Welcome to Helmsman's course. Introduction. This is made to familiarize you as a Helmsman, what this position includes from commands to how to reply and what actually to do when given a command. This is the first step as a Helmsman to acquire the ground knowledge of this position. Note that in some cases, some ships or positions requires a deeper knowledge or experience depending on the ship and work. To minimize confusion and have standardized way of function as a helmsman, these standard commands are chosen, which you as a helmsman should familiarize yourself with and be able to use these tools to fly larger ships without any doubts. Ahead, start moving the ship forward according to the ship's heading. Astern, start moving the ship backward according to ship's heading. Increase speed and decrease speed. Speed up or speed down. Up. Move the ship vertically up. Down. Move the ship vertically down. Pitch up. Move the ship's bow up according to ship's heading. Pitch down. Move the ship's bow down according to the ship's heading. Right or starboard. Turn the ship to the right according to ship's heading. Left or port. Turn the ship to the left according to ship's heading. Strafe right. Slide the ship directly to the right. Strafe left. Slide the ship directly to the left. Roll right. Roll the ship to its right side. Roll left. Roll the ship to its left side. Align the ship to. Steer towards the object or waypoint that was ordered. Steering system. Degrees is an accurate way of giving out a certain angle in all directions. Degrees goes from 0 to 180 to both sides of the ship, which makes a full circle of 360 degrees as a normal compass. The 0 represents the heading, while the 180 represents the astern. A turn, starboard or port side, is a 90 degrees. On a ship, degrees are always done with the ship as a center point, meaning that the ahead of the ship is 0 degrees, while the astern is 180 degrees. Bear in mind that after the maneuver, you revert to 0 degrees, but in some cases the commands 10 degrees to the port or starboard can also be given, and then it's up to you as a helmsman to calculate how much you need to turn. Remember that degrees don't necessarily just mean starboard or port side, but also up and down as well, which is called pitch. Just don't forget that the ahead of the ship is always 0 regardless of what angle you turn to. Here's a few scenarios. The example on turns to turns. You are commanded to turn 45 degrees to the right. Now imagine the compass system ahead of you like this. Remember, your current heading is 0 degrees. Now, according to your heading, find 45 degrees to the right. When ready, commence your turn. When the maneuver is done, the new heading will be 0 degrees. Remember, this can go both ways, both right and left, depending on the commands. Example on pitch. You are commanded to pitch up 30 degrees. Now imagine the compass system ahead of you, like this. Remember, your current level of flight is 0 degrees. Now according to your level, find 30 degrees up. When ready, commence your pitch up. When the maneuver is done, the new level will be 0 degrees. Be aware of that your pitch level will only be according to your heading in space when entering atmosphere of a planet, moon, or other celestial objects that have some sort of a gravity. The pitch will be according to the planet. Your HUD will also show a pitch level upon entering, and that the pitch can be upside down depending on how you enter the gravity.